All right, something more you can do with LittleNavMap. Right now we did a flight plan that just went airport to airport to airport. Well, what if you want to put in waypoints for your own approaches? Let's go to the second airport in the list and zoom in. Oh, look, there's a handy ILS at this airport. Let's say we want to automatically go to the start of that ILS route. I'm going to zoom in one more time. We have these waypoints here. Just right-click on any one of them and add waypoint to flight plan. In this case, because it's only going one direction, when I go back and look, I'm going to close this, hit the X here, it put the waypoint in the right place. Sometimes if the waypoint doesn't show up in the right location, you can move them up or down. Just right-click on it and say move leg down, or right-click on it and move leg up, and so you get until it shows up in the right location that you want it, so your flight follows the right path. So we go to our next airport, LESA. Double-click again, and this time we're not going to use this ILS one, but we're going to come in from the other direction. And it has, oh look, a handy line of GPS points to line up for that runway. So we're going to right-click on one of those and add the waypoint to the flight plan. And in this case, it also put it in the right place. Then we're going to go to we're going to close this, go to our last airport, and this time we can pick either one of these. I'm going to go with the southern one, and same thing, just, well, too close in. Go to one of those, right-click on it, and add the waypoint to the flight plan. Okay, and so now we've got routes that when we load into our GPS, it's going to fly straight to those, and it's going to turn. It'll be lined up. You have your, if you have your frequency programmed into your nav radio, press the approach button, bam, you're landing as long as you're at the right altitude. Another thing you can do is if it doesn't have a handy ILS thing or have handy GPS things, I'm going to go back to Lisa and I'm going to delete the one that we added. Delete this. And what you can do is you can create a position anywhere and it will create a waypoint for you that will show up in your Garmin as a valid waypoint. Just right-click anywhere on the route you want it to land and click Add Position to Flight Plan. Then save it. Now when you load it, bam, all those things are showing up for you in your plan routes really, really easily. Even though it's not the official way to do it, it's still nice and neat. That's it.